Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to start it off real fast. We're going to use this prosthetic that I got from Woochie FX. It's a zombie prosthetics. We're going to use a little Pros-aide just to put it on. We're going to use a light layer because we're not going to keep it on that long. So I started off in the middle on my nose area, stuck it on, then we're going to go from the inside out, as you can see. Now I didn't glue my brows down, so as you can see, I'm going around my brows because I don't want to put the Pros-aide on my hairsies. And be careful around your eyes also because you don't want that Pros-aide on your eyelashes. Now that we look all lopsided, it's time to do the other side. And voila! So now we're going to go in with some foundation because that is a super white prosthetic. So we're just going to try to take away some of that white color. And as you can see, we're going to use the Makeup Forever Flash palette. We're going to use that black cream paint to get into those deep crevices around the eyes, around the jawline, around temples, everything. So the eyeshadow that I'm using right here is Mocha from Makeup Geek just to get those frown lines really, really deep. So I look like an angry zombie. And right here you can see I'm using the yellow. I'm mixing a little bit of the red just to get that darker yellow on the teeth because we are a zombie and our teeth are red, you know? Now we're just going to go in with that pink also from the Flash palette just to get those pink gums. We're only going to use a little bit because, like I said, we are dead. So as you can see, I mixed the red, blue, and brown just to get that purple color because that, you know, under your skin once it's burnt, torn off, it's a little purple up under there. We're just trying to get it all up in them crevices, and that's also the red. I mixed some yellow in there to get that red tone on our skin, mostly around the jaw because we are bleeding and eating people, so we got to be a little red. And right here, I'm going back in with that Mocha from Makeup Geek just to blend out those eyes. Now we're just having our little dance break because you gotta have fun, right? Now we're gonna put on our shirt that we got from Walmart. It cost me a freaking $1. Okay, so that's why I didn't have no problem tearing it up because it didn't cost me that much. So, you know, I should have got a little bit bigger, but you know, it is what it is. Now this is gelatin. I did learn how to make the gelatin from Glam and Gore. She does have a video on how to make that stuff. Once you heat it up, you have to wait for it to cool down because it gets super hot. And you don't want to burn your skin for real. But once it is a little bit cool to put on the skin, it is going to dry up pretty fast. So you got to work pretty fast. And now I'm taking that popsicle stick and trying to make it texture. So that's why you see me pulling it on and off to get that texture zombie look. I'm trying to actually blend in the prosthetic to my face or my neck. As you can see, we got it in. I thought I was recording when I was doing the scab blood, but apparently I wasn't. But I'm actually just putting it in the deepest pockets. And I'm using this Stage Blood just to pour it all over my face. But NYE Stage Blood looks really real. You know what I mean? And as you can see, I forgot to actually do everything I did on my prosthetic on my neck. So as you see, I had to go back in before I put the blood in everywhere. Coagulated blood, I use that because that's how you can get the blood hanging down. That's what they use. As you can see, it's dripping blood, so that's also the best. I got all this stuff off Amazon. And I just put in some green just to look a little decayed. I think that brought the look together. Now it's time to put on some hair. I did use glycerin to give it that oily look. And now we're going in with some Stage Blood, and we're going to put it everywhere. Now look how beautiful we look. If you want to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one.